Have you ever found that your DIY wireless projects lose connection the moment they move more than a few feet away? It is a frustrating issue when your remote control or sensor network just doesn't have the range you expected for your application. This is where the nRF24L01 PA LNA module comes into play. It is a compact wireless transmitter designed for those who need a bit more power and stability in their 2.4 GHz projects, especially when dealing with industrial remote control needs. Unlike the basic versions of this chip, this specific model includes an external power amplifier and a low-noise amplifier. These components are essentially there to boost the signal strength for sending data and to clean up the reception of incoming signals. This module is particularly useful for projects involving the E01ML01 DP5 standard. If you are building remote control systems that need to function reliably in a garage, workshop, or a small industrial setting, this is a component worth considering. The inclusion of the metal shield is a nice touch. It helps in minimizing electrical noise interference, which is vital when you are operating in environments where other electronics might cause signal drops or latency issues. Before you click to buy, check your power supply. Because of the added amplifier, these modules can draw more power than a standard unit. Make sure your voltage regulator is up to the task to avoid erratic behavior. Also, double-check your SPI interface requirements. Ensure your controller is ready to handle the specific configuration for this variant. It is not just a plug-and-play drop-in for every simple project, so a quick look at your documentation is recommended. If you are only working on short-range communication inside a single room, you might not need this extra power. But if you have reached the physical limit of your current setup, this is a very practical upgrade to keep in your inventory. Currently, this module is available for $5.67. Given the performance boost it provides for wireless links, it sits at a very reasonable price point for hobbyist engineering and custom industrial testing setups. Before treating nRF24L01 PA LNA 2.4 GHz wireless as a quick buy, start with the real problem. Does it reduce a practical friction, or does it only look useful in the listing? The goal is a balanced decision based on visible facts, not a forced recommendation or exaggerated claim. To wrap up, check the latest pricing and verify your project's specific pinout needs before you start your build. If you need a more reliable connection for your remote control project, this module could be exactly what you have been looking for.